Hi, I'm Ritisha Gangwali, a NIFT aspirant, and I'm glad to share that I was able to clear both the rounds with a reasonable rank. For this, I would like to thank Fashion and Art class, especially Akankshi ma'am, for her guidance and mentoring. Speaking of their presentations and study material, their presentations were very eye-catching, which had my undivided attention throughout the online class, and it was pretty self-explanatory even for concepts such as design thinking, color theory, perspective drawing, which is very new to all of us. Was pretty understandable with the help of their presentation and of course Akankshi ma'am's teaching. They also provided me with ample study material which helped me crack the exam. My overall experience was definitely amazing. I was given weekly assignments and one-to-one feedback. Akankshi ma'am was always available for me and helped me clear my doubts and get through this. I would like to thank her for her guidance and support. I would definitely recommend all the future design aspirants to take up this coaching. This was pretty helpful, less pressurizing, and helped me clear both the examinations.